Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will review Trust Wallet, exploring whether it's a good or bad choice for your cryptocurrency needs. Trust Wallet is a widely used mobile application designed for storing and managing various digital assets. It offers a convenient way to interact with different blockchains directly from your phone. We'll cover its key features, benefits, and potential drawbacks to help you decide if it's the right fit. One major advantage of Trust Wallet is its extensive support for a vast array of cryptocurrencies and tokens across numerous blockchains. This versatility allows you to manage diverse portfolios in one place. Furthermore, it's a non-custodial wallet, meaning you retain complete control over your private keys, enhancing your ownership and security. Its built-in D-app browser also provides seamless access to decentralized applications. Despite its benefits, Trust Wallet does have some drawbacks. As a hot wallet, it's always connected to the internet, which inherently carries a higher risk of cyber attacks compared to offline cold storage solutions. While generally reliable, some users report that customer support can be less responsive or comprehensive than desired. Additionally, its exclusive mobile interface might not appeal to those who prefer desktop or hardware wallet management. Ultimately, whether Trust Wallet is good or bad depends on your individual needs and risk tolerance. It's an excellent choice for those who actively trade or interact with D-apps on the go, offering convenience and broad asset support. However, for maximum security of large holdings, combining it with a cold storage solution is often recommended. Always assess your personal security requirements. Also, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to simplify your life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.